Hi friends, so today we are going to do our vanilla cake. For that you require 100 grams maida, 30 grams sugar, 60 grams butter, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda and 60 grams of milk made. So first, let's sieve the maida, the dry ingredients together. That's 100 grams maida, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Just see that all the ingredients mix properly in the siever. It's very important to sieve so that you get a good texture. So I'll repeat again. It's 100 grams of maida, 30 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda in the siever at the moment. These are our dry ingredients. Once you have sieved the maida, baking powder and baking soda, keep this aside. In a separate bowl, you empty the butter. This is 60 grams of butter. And 80 grams of milk maid. grams of sugar and mix it properly. See that the butter, sugar and milk maid are completely dissolved and make a smooth batter. Just stir it for around 30 seconds. It's very important to see that these wet ingredients are dissolved properly so that no lumps are formed. Now keep adding the dry ingredients in batches, don't add all them together. And use the cut and fold method. That's turn and cut, turn and cut. Add a little water so that it mixes properly. And add half a teaspoon of mango essence. Now I'm going to empty all the ingredients together. And mix properly. As you can see, a batter is turning into a smooth consistency. Use the cut and fold method. And see that no lumps are formed. Last, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. You can use any brand of white vinegar and gently keep on folding the batter. As I'm making a tall cake, I've used this cake tin and I've already added the butter paper inside. It's very important to grease the tin, or else in case if you don't have the butter paper, you can dust all-purpose flour, that is maida, inside the greased tin so that the cake doesn't stick at the base and you have no problems getting it out. So I'll repeat the ingredients for you. The dry ingredients are 100 grams of maida, 80 grams of milk maid, 30 grams of sugar and 60 grams of butter, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. You can add water as per the consistency you need and 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. As the batter is ready, let's pour this into the cake tin. Tap the cake tin so that no air bubbles are formed. Bake this on a low flame in a kadai or on a pressure cooker for 30 to 40 minutes. And this was our recipe for plain vanilla cake. Thank you.